Did you know fasting during Ramadan can make you stronger and healthier? It's not just spiritual, it's scientific. Meet Hormesis, a process where mild stressors like fasting, exercise, or cold exposure boost your body's strength by triggering repair mechanisms. Fasting during Ramadan is a perfect example of Hormesis in action. It activates autophagy, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, boosts brain health, and enhances longevity. Your body adapts by burning fat for energy, strengthening the immune system, increasing growth hormones, and enhancing mental resilience. To maximize benefits, eat nutrient-dense Suhoor and Iftar, stay hydrated, do light exercise, get enough sleep, and practice mindfulness. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar during iftar to prevent insulin spikes. So, as you fast this Ramadan, remember, you're not just cleansing your soul, you're supercharging your body with the power of Hormesis.